Astronova Product Identification provides products, services, and supplies that improve our customers' ability to identify, track, and market their products.
Hello, I'm Chris Pizzuti, Regional Sales Manager for Astronova Product Identification. I'm here today to introduce you to our QL120X digital label printer. Is your business faced with one of the many potential challenges of stocking pre-printed labels? It could be high minimum order quantities or delays in delivery dates from your current vendor, or maybe your label designs change frequently, resulting in costly labels you have to end up throwing away. Or maybe you're starting a private labeling program and you need the flexibility to print many different label sizes with many changing formats to get the exact label that your customer needs in a timely fashion to keep up with the marketplace. Does your company have strict quality or regulatory requirements for product labeling that could potentially result in costly recalls or fines? Perhaps you need to print variable data sourced directly from a business information system, printing images, barcodes, serial numbers, lot numbers in a single pass. I'm here today to show you how the QL120X will address all of these challenges and more. First, I'd like to show you how easy it is to print a colorful label in a matter of seconds. Our QL120X supports printing on various media types common in the label industry, anywhere from a continuous label to a label with a reflective mark, pre-die cut labels, and all kinds of label substrates from paper to polypropylene to synthetic labels. The QL120X features a Windows printer driver to allow you to print virtually from any Windows application out there. In addition, we include a free license to our own CQL Pro label software, which allows you to easily design labels by importing any standard graphic format, adding text, barcodes, and variable information as needed. I currently have 3" by 1.5" die cut or gap labels loaded in the printer. Now I'll click on the graphic tool and select a PDF image file to place on the label. Now I can use the field placement tool to center the image vertically and horizontally on the label template. Once I'm satisfied with my design, I can save the template for later recall, and now I can simply select, print, and enter the quantity of labels. You can see how beautiful and quickly the QL120X generates vibrant labels for your products. The labels are printed with high-performance, water-based dye inks. The built-in automatic cutter will cut between labels at any interval you choose, or at the end of your label batch, and that facilitates hand application to your products. However, we do have an optional label rewinder that sits externally in front of the printer, and as the printer's printing at 8 inches per second, it'll rewind the labels onto the roll, so you can then take that roll over to either a semi-automatic or totally inline automatic label applicator. The QL120X features high-capacity 240 milliliter ink tanks, one for each color: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Now I'd like to show you just how easy it is to install a new label size in less than a minute. The label supply roll is accessed by lifting the door at the side of the printer. Now that you've seen how easy it is to print your own labels in-house, I'd like to show you how to optimize your productivity by printing queues of labels through our CQL Pro software. Let's say we need these 3 different label designs printing in a single operation with varying quantities for each design. CQL Pro's Print Queue Manager allows you to do that with ease. Finally, I'd like to show you some powerful features that allow the QL120X to be seamlessly integrated and automated in line with virtually any production process. The printer features a utility port, enabling external printer control or printer status reporting from any industrial control system or equipment. We also offer a cost-effective interface module for integrations requiring direct electrical connection to the printer without the need for programming. The QL120X can be integrated directly into a production line, synchronized to a label applicator, or even interfaced with a vision system for automatic quality control. The possibilities are almost endless. We also offer a software development kit at no cost from Astronova, allowing third-party software like enterprise labeling applications to build in native support for our QL120 series printers. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the QL120X or how Astronova can help streamline your labeling process, call 1-401-828-4000 or visit us at astronovaproductid.com.